Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited and I will show you how to remove and replace the blower motor resistor. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Now in 2016 there was a facelift, so if you own 2016 to 2019 your interior will look a bit different, but I'm pretty sure that this blower motor replacement will be the same. So in my case, what's happening, the blower motor resistor didn't fail all the way. The car is trying to lower the fan speed by itself. It's not doing it right now, but what would happen, the car would just lower it and I would hear that beep 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 noise all the time, even for a couple of minutes, and there's nothing I can do to reset it. So first thing I will try to replace the blower motor resistor. If that doesn't help it, then I'm pretty sure the problem is in this front Sony facelift, because there's like a small crack here and I got this car off the auction, so I'm not sure what's the history on it, but somebody probably smashed into this this faceplate and maybe damaged something. But first things first, the cheapest and the easiest to replace it, that blower motor resistor. Okay, so here is my new blower motor resistor. It's the aftermarket one, not OEM one. It's much cheaper and it should do the work. Here is the part number if you need it. Okay, so I double checked in my manual and the blower motor resistor will be located just under here, so you don't have to actually remove the glove box all over it down. I will turn the flash on my phone. Now to access it, first you'll have to remove this plastic cover, and that cover is held by a couple of screws. You'll have one 7mm here, you'll have one 7mm on the other side, and you'll have one which is a bit harder to access here inside this hole. I'm not sure if I'll be able to record it, but it's also 7mm and you'll have to use extension to reach it. So remove those 3 screws now. Okay, you'll have to get into awkward position to do this, but it's not too hard. Okay, so these are the first 2 screws. Now this piece is completely loose, but like I said, there is one more screw just back there. I'm gonna show. I'm not sure I'll be able to record it, but it's just inside that hole, right? So just remove that one as well, and like I said, you will need extension to reach it. Okay, and this is the last screw, the golden screw. And now once this one is out, this plastic should be completely loose. You should be able to remove it and get access to the blower motor and the resistor. Okay, so to completely get this cover off the way, just want to unplug this connector here. So there's a small tab here on top of it. You want to press it and pull this out. And now the blower motor resistor will be located, okay, just remove that cable, just here. See, so this is the cable going into it and 2 screws holding it. Both of those screws are 8mm, so you can also use a ratchet with 8mm socket or just a small wrench key, whichever is the easiest for you. Okay, this is not the easiest thing to do, but it's definitely doable. Okay, and these are the screws, 2-liter silver ones, 8mm. And now you can pull this complete assembly out and then disconnect it. You just have to wiggle it off. Okay, here we go. Now to disconnect the blower motor resistor, there is no pins or anything, you just want to kind of pull it out. And that's it. This is how you can remove it and replace it. It's very easy to do. Only problem is it's kind of awkward to remove all the screws, and you'll have to spend some time. If you have all the right tools, it's quite easy, but if you are working with limited tools, then it might be a challenge for you. Okay, and here is my new blower motor resistor. I will now plug it in and see if I see any difference. Now also make sure when you install the new blower motor resistor, don't screw it in and install back everything. First start the vehicle and make sure that the resistor actually works. Once you make sure it's all good, then install all the parts back in. Okay, once it is plugged in, just start the vehicle and try to play with the fan speeds to make sure that the fan speed changes and this actually works. Mine seems to be good. And now I'll be putting all these back together. And that's it. This is how you replace the blower motor resistor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.